Hello, how to set memory seat for BYD Seal? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total is 12-way power seat. For C11-7, it's got 14. You can check my video here. For the passenger side, same with the C11-7. It's a 6-way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the driver side, only the driver side there's memory function. 1 or 2. Let's go. We go to the settings first. Vehicle setting. Seats. Seats adjustment. Over here. You adjust to the position that you want. You can adjust in the screens here or the switches at the seats as well. Okay, once you set it, including the side mirror, okay? Including the side mirror, the memory is for side mirror as well. Once you set to the position that you want, just press and hold. Save successfully. So this is how we save the memory. To recall back, just press it. This is the position 2. Let's go to the position 1. That's simple. One more thing. The memory for the memory seat is only for the back, height, and also the seat degree. Okay? For lumbar support, it doesn't have. This is how we set the memory seat for the BYD Seal. It's actually same with the Sea Lion 7. For wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, maybe you can check my video here. Thank you.